everyone, it's Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Welcome to my unboxing of the July Club Echo Park kit. If you're unfamiliar, Echo Park started a club. This is the second box that we received. It is a subscription-based service that they send out a box every other month. So the last box we got was in May, and now we're getting one for July. I believe the next one will be September. You can go to their website and sign up. I will have that link down below. It's not an affiliate link, it's just a way to take you to the website. So it is $29, I believe, and then shipping. So I think it's, maybe it's just $29. I don't remember exactly, but it's not very expensive, and you get a ton of product. Comes in this cute box. So let's go ahead and open this up. Let me pull out my invoice here. And yep, $29.99. So, ooh, their Christmas market collection. I love Echo Park's Christmas. Everything is so cute. So, this looks like 30 free prints with persnickety prints if you print photos. Ooh, this paper is nice. Okay, so it comes with an inspiration sheet. It's like this. So there's all sorts of things. There's a calendar, there's boxes, and then on the back it shows you how to make a card and then a layout. So this is summer themed. This is their summer collection. And last time we got Cardabella, and this time we're actually getting Echo Park. If you didn't know, Cardabella is Echo Park's sister company. So we got the 6x6 pad. Looks like it's about the same what we got last time. So you get the 12x12 collection kit, a 6x6 paper pad, an exclusive stamp set, chipboard accents, frames and tags, and then enamel dots. So, and this is just this summer, best summer ever collection. And I already have the 6x6 pad, and it's adorable. I'm pretty sure I have the 6x6 pad. So yeah, so let's go through that first. So you get 24 double-sided papers. This is the one I have. Is this the one I have? Let me see. I don't think it is, actually. Nope, I have the I Love Summer by Lori Whitlock, and this is by Jen Allison. Okay, cool. Good. I thought I had it. Maybe I looked at it and just didn't end up getting it. So let's cut into this. So as you can see, you get a ton of stuff for $29 because this 12x12 collection, in some places it's like $16.99, some places it's like $15. So just that and the stamp set would be worth it. So yeah, I love this gingham. Fun fact, my very first apartment, no, my second apartment on my own when I lived in college, I did blue gingham on my chairs. I love the strawberries. Cute. A lot of grape. Oh, I love this stripe. I love the popsicles. I am a popsicle and snow cone fiend in the summer. If you guys didn't know, if you don't follow me on my At Home with Misty channel. In fact, I have snow cone syrups coming tomorrow. So they just repeat. I love this paper fan one. I bought some paper fans to hang in my craft room, but I never got around to it. So there's the 6x6 paper pad. And then this is the 12x12. So it's basically the same thing, except it comes with this sticker sheet. And I haven't, so the last one I actually used it to set up my traveler's notebook, which I don't know if that video probably hasn't gone up yet. I'm behind. I filmed up a bunch of videos since I've been out with my back, but I haven't gotten around to posting them. So I'm not gonna flip through. It's the same paper set we're in the other one, except you get one 12x12 sheet, double-sided. Let's take a look at the stamp set. See if I have something dark. This may help. This is from last month. So it says best summer ever. Summer is sweeter with you. You get a little bikini, polka dot bikini, a flamingo, an ice cream, popsicle, pineapple, a couple of popsicles actually, a pretzel, summer, hello sunshine, hello, and then a little ice cream truck. So cute little stamp set. That's adorable. And then like I said, you get the tags and then this set of stickers and the enamel dot. So let's look at these tags. So I think it's worth it. I'm hoping, so see, it would be September and November. I'm hoping September's kit is Christmas. I'm gonna guess it's probably not. It's probably gonna be fall, but I'm hoping that it is. These are great. I will definitely be making some cards with this. I didn't make any cards with the last kit. Again, I used it to to create my traveler's notebook, and I'll be sharing that with you. Make sure you subscribe to this channel as well as the Planning with the Elf channel, because I will be posting more planner content there. So yeah, that's it guys. Such a cute and fun kit, and like I said, I will be making some cards with this. I have a backlog of items that I need to use. So hopefully we'll get it done. I just purchased the Greeting Farm Mystery Kit. I'm excited to get that. That'll ship sometime late August. So lots of fun stuff coming your way. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you real soon. Bye for now.